आज हमारे साथ है मिस्टर आशीष प्रकाश, हु इज राइट नाउ द सिटी सप्लायर ऑफ ओयो इन गुड़गांव। तो हाय आशीष, कैसे हैं आप?
हाय शिवम, गुड। कैसे हो तुम?
बस मैं भी ठीक हूँ और लाइक रियली नाइस टू सी यू ऑन माय प्लेटफॉर्म। और काफी कुछ था आपसे बात करने को, सीखने को, इसलिए वेलकम अगेन टू माय चैनल। और विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आशीष। सो आपने काफी काम किया है, मतलब यू हैड बीन इन ENY for 1 year, then in Oyo, then in Flipkart for around 2 years, then now in Oyo for around 4 years. So if I would ask you, what was your toughest interview till now and why? मतलब कि हाँ यार, ये इंटरव्यू था, ये सिलेक्शन, it matters.
Okay, that would be Flipkart, and that would be the interview of the director who took my interview. वो समय वो AD थी, अभी वो Flipkart में VP हैं, नंदता सना करके। तो my friend had referred me to that job, right? And Nandita was supposed to be, is really, was told to me कि she's someone who just will not take anything random from you. You have to be completely logical, and you have to be completely, transparent with her. She likes both of that. So Flipkart was a big opportunity for me, right? मैं जिस कॉलेज से था वहाँ फ्लिपकार्ट हायर करने नहीं आता था, तो आई वाज लाइक कि फ्लिपकार्ट इज अ बिग अपॉर्चुनिटी. तो माय फ्रेंड हैड टोल्ड मी सर्टेन थिंग्स अबाउट अ कैरेक्टर. तो शी आस्क्ड वेरी डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस लाइक तुम 10 पैरामीटर बताओ जिससे तुम ऑप्टिमाइज करोगे किसी प्रोडक्ट की शिपिंग. तो मैंने 7-8 बताया, एंड देन शी वाज जस्ट वेटिंग वेरी पेशेंटली कि तुम बताओ मुझे. और शी वाज prodding me, she was helping me. It was around 30-40 minutes का interview, but it was a high stake game, and she was someone who my friend respected a lot, hence I respected a lot. There was a lot at stake, and honestly, after having been selected, she was really someone who taught me a lot, who made me a professional.
Okay, Ashish, thank you. Or so then my second question would be like in a world of today where like everyone is running after numbers, everyone is running after profitability. So how good do you really think it is good to compromise on company ethics to run after to show profitable? To you show that you are okay, you are now earning money.
I would not agree with that. Honestly, I have seen that the bigger firms have only been able to scale because they have gone by the books in maintaining the ethics for a long-term profitability, right? Because business at the very bottom has a currency of trust in it. Business at an essence, economics as an essence, works on a very basic concept of trust. And going unethical is long-term detrimental. मतलब आपको उतना बड़ा कस्टमर बेस नहीं मिलेगा, आप उतना पॉजिटिव ग्रो नहीं कर पाओगे. The reason why an Amazon grows or the reason why a Google grows is that they are very customer oriented company. What they have done is they have brought product thinking into business ethics, which ensures that business which usually thinks of profit first puts people and then understands profit. So ethics as an essence, ethics basically ensures that you are dealing fairly with partners, when you're dealing fairly with your customers and with your employees. So ethics is a long-term profitable game. And startups are here to solve basic problems. They are not here to create more problems.
Okay, yeah. So my second question would be something linked to this only. It's like Oyo, if I, मतलब मैं अगर पिछले कुछ महीनों में जाऊँ, so Oyo would have been in news for its questionable practices and all. So, and of course, COVID has also impacted hospitality industry to the fullest जितना हो सकता था. So how do you really think after all these things, Oyo can really like with the business model and with the image Oyo has in market, can it bounce back after this COVID thing is over?
So definitely it can bounce back. That definitely can happen. There have been speculations about the business practices which Oyo has done. So in certain periods, what happens is that there are certain acts which cannot be just painted as right and wrong. They can be one side of the story and the other side of the story, right? So if we only talk about COVID and its impact, and also about the fact that how Oyo will be able to go after this impact has gone away, Oyo will only be able to do it if the basics are correct, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because it's a very difficult time, and Oyo as a product has brilliant functions. मतलब there are so many support functions. उसका operations अच्छा है, revenue अच्छा है. उसके अलावा they have good relations with all other partners. So Oyo, if it sticks by the book and executes uh, with its strength in place, then replacing Oyo in the time of crisis is a very difficult thing, right? One of the reasons why I've seen this is that in times of crisis, uh, what anchors you is order, is structure, right? A big company is a big company only and only because they have brilliant processes in place, and they have brilliant people guarding those processes. So
Yes.
if Oyo sticks by its ethics, which it has always, and sticks by the process and excellence which it has always stood for, then I think it would be able to come back positively and sharply well. But it depends on the execution. It is an unseen circumstance where Airbnb is laying off 25% of its workforce, and WeWork has tanked. So all the hospitality and the real estate companies startups are definitely hit. So they are in a sector which will be hit the most, but
Yes, yes.
then they can recover provided they stick to their processes and excellent strategies which they have employed.
Okay, so Ashish, you must have worked like under like number of leaders. So if I particularly talk about Oyo, like any particular leader you want to mention कि हाँ यार मतलब मजा आया इसके अंडर काम करके और and why that, like why only that he or she leader, like just wanted to ask.
There is one. There is definitely one. There was this manager of mine, Sanjay Yelisetti. So I was in Bangalore when when I had worked in Bangalore. So Sanjay had been promoted in front of our eyes. He was a very hard worker. Just got promoted. Best thing about Sanjay, right? See, I cannot say he was a perfect manager. No one is a perfect manager, right? Because every employee or every team mate will need a different thing. A manager can try and provide 70-80% of it, but they cannot provide 100% of it. No manager can be perfect for everyone, right? The best part about Sanjay was he had an eclectic group of people. I was someone who should not be disturbed, and I will deliver my numbers 1.5 times of that. But I was an independent worker. There was someone like a Naveen who was a brilliant process guy, but was not delivering on numbers at that time. Then there was Shamit, who for 4 months had not performed, but was so good with process, so good with his inputs, that Sanjay always said that he is his best guy, right? All those things aside, the best part about Sanjay was, let's say I had a meeting, right? So he had allotted his time from 7 to 11 in the night for only calls from his team. That's it. I used to call him, vent my anger for half an hour, whatever it was, whatever my problem was, whatever my issue was, he used to listen to it, just like a friend.
Okay.
He, whatever your problem was, Sanjay is there to listen. You call him at 11, you call him at 11:30, he's there for you. And मतलब we used to be the ground workforce ना, तो जो भी ऑफिस का काम होता था वो संजय उठा लिया था और ग्राउंड का काम हमें करना होता था. तो मतलब he used to be our eyes and ears, and he used to be there for us,
Nice, nice.
which was brilliant.
Of course, yes. So my second question, my next question is something linked to this only. So you आप काफी जमीन से उठे और now you are working as a head for Oyo, city head. So how do you still see yourself? You see yourself as a better individual contributor, or you see yourself as a better manager or a better leader, or better leader. So if I would ask you, if you understand yourself as a better leader, so what is that thing which makes you a better leader?
Lot of questions in that question. So I would say that I have not been an individual contributor for, I would say, the past 3 years, right? And what makes again, what would I like, an individual contribution role or a team guiding role? Uh, depends. Now currently I will not absolutely say that it's one thing is right over the other, but what happens in a team building role is, after you have found yourself and after you found your center, right, a team building role, if you're doing it well and you're supporting your teammates well, it acts as a multiplier, right? Matlab, in
Mhm.
an individual role, what happens is, yes, I can scale from 1 to 4x, but if I have a team of, let's say, 10, 12, 15 people and maybe 20, 30 people, what you can do is that you will not be able to do everything, right? You let's say there are 10 things to do, maybe you can do 4 things, right? But for 6 things, you have a 20 people team which can be good at one of those or two of those. So what happens is, you can outsource your weaknesses, you can also outsource your strengths. uh, with weaknesses you can learn from them, with strengths you can teach them, right? What happens is your impact grows a lot, but there is also this gap also comes sometimes wherein, uh, with a team role the learning is very different. you तुम सीखते हो कि किसी को कैसे मैनेज करना है, किसी को कैसे समझना है, किसको क्या चाहिए, किसको क्या नहीं चाहिए. बट एक सर्टेन समय के बाद मे बी the reason why you would see big leaders changing different departments or changing different roles. कोई
Yes.
देखोगे तुम सेल्स से चला गया मार्केटिंग में, कोई चला गया मार्केटिंग से आई वुड से प्रोडक्ट में, कोई प्रोडक्ट चला गया सप्लाई चेन में. द रीजन व्हाई देयर इज if you are a team manager in a certain business or a certain unit for a certain period of time, तुम्हारी लर्निंग रुक जाती है. Then you need to work from the scratch. बट फिर यूजुअली तुम देखोगे कि उनको लीडरशिप रोल्स मिलता है, बिकॉज आफ्टर सर्टेन पॉइंट होता क्या है कि योर स्किल्स डोंट मैटर, द ability of yours to influence people matters. How
Mhm.
good are you able to see the big picture? How good are you able to connect with people? How good are you able to implement an idea? How good are you able to weather changes? Multiple चीजें, right? तो वो
Yes.
सारी स्किल्स जब आ जाती हैं तो लोग फिर पैरेलल मूव कर पाते हैं. So now I would say I'm not sure कि an individual role is something which I would want, but maybe um, it is a good thing also. An individual role in a challenging environment. Let's say someone works in the consulting space or
Mhm.
someone works in the product space. There are so many different challenges for you to learn. So see, the overall objective is not to either be a leader or individual contributor. The whole objective is learning. कि learning should be maximized, whether you are imparting the learning or the learning is being imparted to you.
So my last question to you will be like, आपने इतनी जगह काम किया है, like not Johnny just not any random Tom Dick Harry firm like EY, the Big Four, Flipkart, the biggest e-commerce now, the OYO, the biggest hospitality. So what's your definition of a progressive firm or a progressive organization?
Any big organization, like for that matter, you can say Google, right? Or you can say an Apple, or you can say a Microsoft. Like Microsoft भी 4-5 साल पहले उसको अपने आप को a 600 or $500 billion company had to reinvent itself because it had become outdated.
Yes.
Because वो recent जो फिनोमिना था उससे उसने अपने अपने आप को अडेप्ट नहीं कर पाया था. It was getting outmoded, it was getting thrown out of the system, and now you can see that Microsoft is one of the 3 firms in US which is now $1 trillion company,
Yes.
and that is a span of 4-5 years, right? So always being ethical and right, but where you're maximizing the learning and employee satisfaction is the only way through which a company progresses. Because someone who has gone through the journey, and usually if you are ethical and you have a good learning curve to ensure, तो लोग आपके साथ stick करते हैं. They have that trust in you, and then if they are learning, they stick with you because they know that if learning is happening, then growing is happening.
Okay. Thank you.
So a progressive culture, according to me, is ensuring that the employees have a psychological trust in you and ensuring that everyone has great learning opportunity.
Nice one. I think that was one of the best way you can put it. So as like just any other random interview, any last question for me? बहुत मैंने पूछ लिया.
What is the purpose of Shivam's working? Why do you work?
I think
What gives you inspiration to work? What gives you motivation to work?
अगर काफी ब्लेटेंट बोलना है तो ऑफ कोर्स मनी इज वन ऑफ द मोटिवेशन. Everyone needs money to survive, to have a better quality of life, but I think money can't be the only inspiration for me. So I started with this fact कि maybe money can be the only motivation कि हाँ अगर maybe साल का अगर 20-30 लाख पैकेज मिल रहा है तो you can only work. But I think अगर सिर्फ पैकेज एक मोटिवेशन अगर रह के अगर आप काम करते हो और काम में मजा नहीं आ रहा है तो मतलब you are not really adding value to the firm, you are not really adding value to the society or as a country or as an individual contributor towards the country or towards the society as a whole. So वो 365 जो सुबह उठ के काम पे जाने का मोटिवेशन है वो खत्म हो जाता है. At the end you should कि हाँ यार मैंने आज मैं ऑफिस गया था तो मैंने ये चेंज लाया था. तो if अगर इस क्वेश्चन का तुम्हारे पास कोई आंसर नहीं है and you are just working for the sake of earning money, so I think at the end मतलब वो फिर फ्यूटाइल हो जाता है. मतलब एट द एंड फिर वो मनी भी आपको कागज की तरह लगने लगेगा कि ठीक है वो जीने के लिए कर रहा हूँ. सो दैट वाज मेक्स मी फील कि हाँ मुझे जब मैं कुछ करता हूँ तो मुझे कुछ ऑफ कोर्स एक और चीज होती है कि मुझे ऐसा मानना है कि काम आपको बहुत कुछ सिखाता है. इट ऑफ कोर्स मेक यू अ बेटर ह्यूमन. और जो मुझे बना हूँ मैं जो आज से मे बी 3-4 साल पहले था और जो मैं अब हूँ कुछ तो फर्क जरूर आया है. ऑफ कोर्स लर्निंग कर्व खत्म नहीं होता है. इन द टिल द एंड आई विल बी लर्निंग. बट यस ऑफ कोर्स वो एक जो होता है ना फैक्टर कि हाँ मैंने ये किया तो मैंने इस बड़े पिक्चर में एटलीस्ट इतना तो चेंज किया है. वो वाली जो फीलिंग होती है ना तो दैट्स मेक्स मी लाइक यस आई वांट टू वर्क. Yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you, Ashish.
Good.
Thanks a lot for your time.
Thank you so much, Shivam. Thank you for making time and inviting me on the small interaction of ours. It was great interacting with you.
Same here, Ashish. Thank you. Okay, guys.